If you've got a light switch and it looks like this one, or maybe you just want to swap it out for a dimmer switch or an LED nightlight switch, well, stay tuned because in this video I'm going to show you the easy way, step by step, on how to change that light switch. Of course, the first step is to shut off that power. So let's head out to the circuit breaker panel and let's flip off that circuit breaker that controls this light switch. Now, for some reason you don't know which breaker goes to the light switch, click on this video right here and I'll show you an easy way to figure out which breaker that is. Now that we've made it back from shutting power off to the light switch, first thing we're going to do is just with the flathead screwdriver, we're going to take off the cover. So we've got the cover off. Now obviously my lights have shut off, but just to be certain, I'm going to use my contactless voltage checker, and if I bring it anywhere near those switches, if there was still power to the circuit, it would light up orange and vibrate as well. So we've safely removed power from the circuit. Now, as I said before, this procedure will work with a dimmer switch, or even if you have the old-fashioned rocker type switch. Today I'm going to use an LED nightlight switch to replace a standard decorative switch. So the next step is going to be to remove the switch we need to replace. And you just want to pull it out so you have room to work on it. Now, as you can see, the old installation from the builder, they've used the insert method on the back of the switch here. So I'm just going to snip the ends off and re-strip them real quick. Now you want to cut it as close as you can to the switch so you're not losing any length. But not much length. And then I'm simply going to strip off the correct length. Okay, now that we've got our wires stripped, we can go ahead and hook it up to the new switch. Now the switch is set up for either two-way or three-way, so let's first hook up the ground. Always bend your hook in a clockwise position. And we'll just tighten down that ground. Okay, the ground is installed. And since we're going to use the terminals, we'll go ahead and put our J-hooks in. Now that we have our ground installed, it's time to hook up the hot and neutral. So we'll take our black hot wire on the brass screw there, tighten that up. Now I'm using my J-hooks. You can also insert these wires straight into the back if you choose. Get that really tight, but not over tight. Hot wire is going to hook up to the silver color neutral screw there. Okay folks, it's as simple as that. We've got our hot wire, our neutral and the silver screw there. We've got our ground connection. It's time to reinstall the switch. Now, one thing I like to do before installing it is just giving everything a pull check. Everything's tight. Carefully fold your wiring back in there. Line up your mounting screws. Now, if you do use a power screwdriver such as this, just make sure you don't over tighten it. It's easy to do with an electric screwdriver. You also want to make sure your switch is lined up for the cover. One thing you can do before you tighten it all the way down is just grab your cover and see if you need to make any fine tunes. So this one here has got to come out just a little bit and to the right. Okay, now that our switch is installed, let's head back out to the circuit breaker and flip that breaker back on. Okay, we made it back out to the panel. Let's flip that back on. It is staying on, so that's a good sign. And now let's head back inside and check our light. Okay, I'm back from turning on the breaker and my lights are back on in the room. Everything's staying on, which is a good sign. Now we can check the switch. Now let's check the LED function. The light does go off and on, so the LED function works as well. Only thing left to do now is to just fasten down the cover. And there you have it, folks. It's not a hard procedure to do. Now keep in mind, if you do use a dimmer switch, you're going to need the dimmer light bulb to go with it. And if you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel here. and watch our next video here.